back, friends. Let's get started with learning mathematics. Welcome to today's math session. We have already seen sutras like Purna, Purnabhyam and Sankalan Vyaklanabhyam for addition. Today we will learn another powerful sutra, Ekadikena Purvena, which means by one more than the previous one. Can you say the name with me? Ekadikena Purvena. Good. Now, who can guess what one more than the previous might mean in addition? Writing addition by Ekadikena Purvena. In this method, we add digit by digit, unit wise. But here's a trick. Whenever the sum in a column exceeds 10, we put a dot or tick mark. That dot means we carry one more next column. At the end, we add all the dots to the next column's added digit. So, instead of writing long carry numbers, we just use simple dots. Quick, can you see? How do you normally handle a carry in school addition? Yes, we write it on the top. But here, we just use dots. Isn't that simpler? Now here is the list of some of the questions that we will be practicing in today's class. Level 1, question number 1. Question number 1, 29 plus 51. Question number 2, 49 plus 68. Level intermediate. Question number 1, 199 plus 302 plus 458. Question number 2, 426 plus 175 plus 536. Level advanced, 8451 plus 4186 plus 3429 plus 5863. Question number 2, 999 plus 875 plus 456 plus 670. Are we excited to learn Ekadikena Purvena Sutra for addition? Give me a thumbs up if you are ready to solve the first question with me. Now we will solve question number 1 from our problem practice set by using the sutra for addition Ekadikena Purvena. So when 9 is added with 1, it becomes 10. 10 is a two-digit number, so we will mark a bar over 1 to denote a two-digit number. We will use 0 from obtained from 10 to write this as a single digit answer for our first column addition. Now we move on to the next column addition, that is 2 plus 5. 2 plus 5 becomes 7. But we remember we had one bar over here. We will add this one bar to this sum obtained from this column addition. So our final answer becomes 1 plus 7, that is 8. So our final answer is 18. Now we are moving on to our next question. To find sum of the given numbers by using the Vedic Sutra for addition Ekadikena Purvena. So when 9 is added with 8, we obtain 17 as answer. 17 is a two-digit number. So we will make a bar over 8 to denote a two-digit number. We will use 7 obtained from 17 to write this as a single-digit answer below the first column addition. Now we will move on to the next column addition. When 4 is added with 6, it becomes 10. And 10 is a two-digit number, so we will make a bar over 6 to denote a two-digit number and use 0 to write it as answer below this present column addition. But we remember that we had obtained a single bar from our previous column addition. We will add this single bar to the value obtained from our present column addition and make the sum of the two numbers. So when 0 is added with 1, it becomes 1. Now we know we also have obtained a single bar from our present column addition. So we will write it as 1 over here. So our final answer is 170. Now we are solving question number 3 from our problem practice set by using the third sutra of addition Ekadikena Purvena. So when 9 is added with 2, it becomes 11. To denote a two-digit number, we will make a bar over 2. And we proceed with 1 obtained from the 1st digit of 11 and add it with 8. So when 1 and 8 are added, it becomes 9. We will write 9 as single digit answer for the first column addition. Now we'll move on to the next column addition. So when 9 is added with 8, it becomes 17. Now 17 is again a two-digit number. So to denote a two-digit number, we make a bar over 8. Now we will use 7 obtained from the ones digit of 17 to add it with 5. So when 7 and 5 are added, it becomes 12. 12 is again a two-digit number. So we will make a bar over 5. Now we can write 2 as answer over here, but we obtained a single bar from the previous column addition. So we will add this single bar with 2 obtained from this column addition. So 1 plus 2 becomes 3. So we will write 3 as single digit answer for our second column addition. Now we will move on to the next column addition. So when 1 is added with 3, it becomes 4. When 4 is added with 4, it becomes 8. So we can write 8 here as answer. But we know that we have obtained 2 bars from our previous column addition. We will use these 2 bars to add it with 8 obtained from the present column addition. So our answer becomes 10. How? 8 plus 2 is 10. So we will write 10 over here. So our final answer is 1039. Now we will be solving question number 4 from practice problem set by using the third sutra of addition ekadikena purvena. So when 6 is added with 5, it becomes 11. 11 is a two-digit number, so we will make a bar over 5. Now we will use the 1 obtained from one digit of 11 to add with 6. So when 1 and 6 are added, it becomes 7. We will write 7 over here as single digit answer for our first column addition. Now we move on to the next column addition. So when 2 is added with 7, it becomes 9. When 9 is added with 3, it becomes 12. Now 12 is a two-digit number, so we will make a bar over 3. And we will write 2 as answer over here. But we remember we have obtained one single bar from previous column addition. So we will this bar to add with 2 obtained from our present column addition. So when 1 is added with 2, it becomes 3. So we will write 3 as single digit answer for our second column addition. Now we move on to the column addition. Now when 4 is added with 1, it becomes 5. When 5 is added with 5, it becomes 10. Digit number, we will bar over 5 with 0 obtained from the digit of 10. Bar obtained from the previous column addition. So when 1 is added with 0, it becomes 1. So you write 1 as answer for single digit answer for present column addition. But you know we also obtain 1 bar from this column addition. So we write 1 over here as answer. So our final answer is 1137. Now question number 5. We will be solving this sum by using the third sutra of addition ekadikena purvena. So when 1 is added with 6, it becomes 7. When 7 is added with 9, it becomes 16. 16 is a two-digit number, therefore we will put a bar over 9. Now we will use 6 obtained from 16 and add with 3. So when 6 and 3 are added, it becomes 9, and we will write 9 here as answer. Now we will move on to the next column addition. When 5 is added with 3, it becomes 13. Number, we will make a bar over 4. And now we will use 3 obtained from the one digit of 13 and add with 2. When 3 and 2 are added, it becomes 5. When 5 is added with 6, it becomes 11. 11 is a two-digit number, so we will make a bar over 6. And we will use 1 obtained from 11 to write it as a single digit answer here. But we remember we had obtained a single bar from our previous column addition. We will add this 1 bar with the value from our present column addition and we will add them together. So 1 plus 1 becomes 2. Therefore we will write 2 over here as single digit answer for our present column addition. Now we will move on to the next column addition. When 4 is added with 1, it becomes 5. When 5 is added with 4, it becomes 9. When 9 is added with 8, it becomes 17. 17 is a two-digit number, so we will make a bar over 8. Now we could write 7 as answer over here. But we remember we had obtained 2 bars for previous column addition. So we will use this 2 bar to add the 7 obtained from our present column addition. And we will write 9 over here as a single digit answer for our present column addition. Now Now we move on to the next column addition. 4 becomes 12. 12 is two-digit numbers. We make a bar over 4. Now we will add 2 octane from 12. Now we will add 2 octane from the first digit of 12 with 3. So therefore 2 plus 3 becomes 5. 5 plus 5 becomes 10. 10 is again a two-digit number. So we will make a bar over 5. Now we have 0 from the first digit of 10. But remember we had obtained one single bar from previous column addition. So we will use this bar to add 0. So 0 plus 1 becomes 1. We will write 1 as a single digit answer for present column addition. But we know we have obtained 2 bars from present column addition. We will write it as 2 over here and the final answer is 21,929. Now we are solving question number 6 by using the third by the sutra for addition ekadikena purvena. So when 9 is added with 5, it becomes 14. 14 is a two-digit number, so we will make a bar over 5. Now we will use 4 octane from the first digit of 14 to add it with 6. So when 4 and 6 are added, it becomes 10. 10 is again a two-digit number, so we will make a bar over 6. Now we will use 0 octane from the first digit of 10 to add it with 0. 0 plus 0 becomes 0. So we will write 0 here as answer, as single digit answer. Now we will move on to the next column addition. So when 9 is added with 7, it becomes 16. 16 is again a two-digit number, so we will make a bar over 7. Now we will use 6 octane from 16 from the first digit of 16 to add with 5. So when 6 and 5 is added, it becomes 11. 11 is again a two-digit number. So we'll make a bar over 5 and we'll use 1 octane from the first digit of 11 to add it with 7. So when 1 and 7 is added, it becomes 8. Now we know we have obtained 2 bars from our previous column addition. We'll use these 2 bars to add with 8 obtained from a present column addition. So 2 plus 8 becomes 10. 10 is again a two-digit number. So we make a bar over 7 and we will use 0 obtained from 10 to write it as a single digit answer for a present column addition. Now we will move on to the next column addition. So that 9 is added with 8, it becomes 17. 17 is again a two-digit number. So we will make a bar over 8. Now we will use 7 octane from this first digit of 7 to add it with 4. So 7 plus 4 becomes 11. 11 is again a two-digit number. So we will make a bar over 4 and we will use 1 octane from 11 from first digit of 11 to add it with 6. So 1 plus 6 becomes 7. But we know we had obtained 3 bars from our previous column addition. So we will add these 3 bars with 7 obtained from present column addition. 7 plus 3 becomes 10. 10 is again a two-digit number. So we make a bar over 6 and we will write 0 obtained from the first digit of 10 to write it as single digit answer for a present column addition. Now we have 3 bars from a present column addition, so we will write 3 here as answer. So our final answer is 3000. I hope you enjoyed today's session on Ekatikena Purvena. In our next class, we will be practicing questions on Nikhilam Navatskarmam, the by the Sutra for subtraction.